Hi, I'm the empty nester. I decided today, of all days, to finally start recording and putting up some videos because there's been some serious life changes, and I just wanted a record of how I get through this to the other side and improve myself, improve my life, get my family through it. So a couple of days ago, I lost my job. I was the primary breadwinner in the home, health coverage, all of that. I've been in the workforce now for about 30 years. This was a relatively new job that I had left a prior employer that I'd been with for 25 years to take this job because it was a good salary increase, and it was just from the beginning a pretty bad fit. But I tried to make it work, and it just didn't end well. So I'm out there now trying to look for new work, trying to figure out what these next few years are going to look like. What am I going to do in my 50s? I'm a grandmother now. I, just everything that goes on in life. Just trying to figure it out, and just needed a place to record it, whether anybody watches or not, because things do happen, not just to, in young life, but later in life when you definitely aren't expecting it, and you're kind of on that downhill slide to retirement, and a big whammy gets thrown at you. So right now I'm doing all this on my phone because I just don't have the technical expertise to do anything else. But this is what this looks like after losing your job in your 50s. It's been a rough week. I'll get through this, and I'm going to be okay. I have a wonderful family. I have wonderful friends that are checking on me daily. But I just wanted to record this experience because it's been one of the worst that I've ever had in my entire life. So I'm trying not to get emotional. But so welcome. Hopefully I learned to get much better at this. And just share how I get through all this with everybody, so maybe it'll help somebody else. So I'm going to try to do little daily vlogs to let you know what I'm doing. And so far I've been putting applications out and doing all that kind of stuff, putting fillers out with contacts I've made over the years. Just seeing where that will take me. We live in a small town, so that makes it even harder. I was doing remote work, so, now I know I'll have to go back into, face-to-face type work, which is fine. I don't mind that at all. But, so thanks for listening, and, yeah, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.